Welcome. This is a demonstration of doing jaw massage. You'll notice that in this video that the vocal
Hello, this is
and
a
the picture
demonstration
don't
of
line up
doing massage
because when I
for your
recorded it
jaw.
originally, the
We're
sound did not
going
pick
to
up.
be
So
using
bear
soft
with me.
water tools.
Okay,
So
first and
we're going to start with
foremost,
a nice
we're
soft
gonna
open
start
fist
with a
and start at the
soft
lower
fist,
jaw
and you're gonna
and just
roll that
roll the
fist
fist starting
from
from
the
the
cheekbone
cheekbone and
and
down to the
scoop
lower
down and
jaw.
around
Okay. You do
to
this
your lower
several
jaw.
times.
You can, of course, go from the jaw to the
All
cheekbone.
right, and now
You
we're
can
going
make
to use
circles.
finger
Now we're
pads,
going to
not
use our
tips.
finger
You're going to
pads.
come
And
in
with the finger pads,
and go
we're going
along
to
the
start
cheekbone.
out toward the nose and run all the way in
And
to
we want to
the
go nice and
ear.
slow
And
through
we
here.
want to do
When you go
several
slower with your
rows,
massage
several
strokes,
passes.
you're able
Try
to
to
go
make the
deeper
rows like
into
right
your
next to each
tissue.
other. Our
Getting
body
deep into
prefers
tissue is
that things
not
are ordered when
necessarily
it
about
comes to
how much
helping us
pressure you're
relax.
using.
It's also
It's
more
definitely
efficient
more
to do it that
about
way. You get better
speed
coverage.
and making sure
Um,
that the tissue is
and what we're
warm
doing right now
and
is
ready
helping to improve the
to
blood
have
flow.
somebody
The
working in there.
slower that you
All right.
go through these
Okay, this will be the
tissues,
last
the deeper
time.
you can get into them
So we're going from the
without
bottom of the
having to try
cheekbone
to use a
all
lot
the
of
way
force.
down
A
to
lot
the
of
lower
massage is
jaw.
more about speed than it is about the
Okay,
amount of force
now
that's being
we're
used
going to
to
come
get deeply
in
into the
and
tissue.
again, we're going to
Okay,
use
we're
our
going to
finger
change
pads.
directions here. We're
We're going to
using the
come
finger
from
pads
just the
again,
very top
starting at the
of your cheekbone
cheekbone
here
and coming
and
down
slide
toward the bottom
all
of
the
the
way
jaw.
down
And of
to the
course,
corner of
if
the
you
jaw
prefer to
at the
go
top
from the bottom of the jaw
and down.
up
And
to
you
and just
want to
over the top of the
move
cheekbone,
as if
please go ahead and do
you
that. Whatever
are like
feels comfortable
making
here for
rows
you.
in a
I'm going to
garden or you're
demonstrate that
plowing a
change here in a
field.
moment.
So
And
don't
again,
jump
just
all
like
over
we
your
did with the
face with
horizontal
this. Our
strokes,
nervous
with these
system
vertical strokes,
really
we're
likes things to
also
be
looking
orderly. Okay.
to
If
do
you don't want to
them
go down to the
in
jaw, you can
consecutive
start at the
rows next to
bottom
each other to
and come
make
up
our nervous
and
system
just
happy
over
and
the top of the
content
cheekbone.
that
I'll take
we're
my
doing full
glasses off
coverage.
here.
Um,
There we go.
we want
Just
to
like that. You
do
can do it this way
ideally
too. It's up to
therapeutically
you how
9
many
passes
passes
over an
you would
area
like to
is what
do.
it takes to elicit
I
a
will tell you
therapeutic
that our
response
science
in
nerds and
our
science
muscle
hippies
tissue.
have
You
discovered
can, of
that
course,
it
do
takes a
whatever number of
minimum of 9
passes
passes
feels good
in
to
order to
you
have a
and feels
therapeutic
like it's
effect
effective.
in our
Um,
muscle tissue.
but we know from the science
So keep that
hippies
in
that
mind.
9 passes
Um, but
in
also,
the muscle
some is better
tissue
than none.
creates a
So if you
therapeutic
only have
change.
time to do 3,
Okay?
totally groovy. All right, do
All
that.
right, and go ahead.
Okay,
I'm being really
now
thorough in
we're gonna
there.
start
Okay, so
from
now
the
I'm going to come
cheekbone and
again
push,
and
and I'm just using one
go
finger.
at a
I
little bit
use
of a
my middle finger a
diagonal
lot because it's the
through the
longest finger
masseter
on
and the
my hand.
buccinator. So a lot
It's
of you've probably
also
already heard
what
of
I
the
consider
masseter.
the
The
smartest finger
buccinator
on my hand.
is the
That's
masseter's
just
best
because
friend.
I
They work together
that's
to
the way
help
that
us
I've
be able
trained
to
my hand.
speak and
Okay. If
chew
it feels better
and
for you to use
laugh
an index
and open
finger
and close
or
our
your
mouth,
thumb,
which is pretty
please
awesome.
don't hesitate to do that.
Okay. I'm using
Okay,
my
and we're
thumb
just
there just
gonna
to kind of change
make again
tools.
several passes.
So go
And
ahead and
we
feel
don't, you'll
free
notice that I'm
to
not starting at the
experiment
corner
with
of my
which
mouth.
tools feel the
For
best for
me,
you.
my
I'm
masseter and
showing here
buccinator
that
are
in
right
order to
here.
get the
This is
masseter and the
this is the
buccinator,
front edge of
you
them.
don't need to
And
start
then
at
they
the
come
corner of the
all the way
mouth.
back
It's
here.
rare
That's
that they
not
go all the
true
way to
for
the corner of the
everybody.
mouth.
Your anatomy is going to be a
Typically,
little bit different
they're
depending
a
on
little bit farther back toward the
how you're
ear,
built.
but not the
Okay,
case for
and we're going to
everybody.
go ahead
All
and
right,
just
and then when
finish
you're
up
ready to finish
with
up,
that nice
use that
soft
soft open fist
open
again
fist
and
and
go
just
ahead and
rolling that
roll that
hand
fist
over the
all
cheek.
around the
It's a
area that you just got
nice.
done
Okay.
working with your thumb and your
All right.
fingers. Please
Okay.
do stop the
Make
video,
sure that you stop
start
the
it back at the
video
beginning,
right back
and
to the
watch
beginning
it again to the
and do the
end
other
so that you can
side.
do the other side.
Okay.
All
Thank you
right.
so
Thank
much
you
for
so much
joining
for
me
joining
today.
me.